Yeah.
Tell me the difference between an Android
Yeah.
and an iPhone.
Okay. I'm telling you. So Android is an open source operating system developed by Google, while iPhone runs on Apple's proprietary
Wait.
iOS. Yeah.
What are you doing? Stop.
No.
Stop
Okay.
this.
Okay.
You are not smarter than me. Don't act like you're smarter than me. Share your screen right now. Share it. I
okay,
want to see everything
sir.
on your screen
Yeah.
this second. Do
I'm sharing it.
Let
I'm
me see
sharing
it.
it.
Quick.
I'm
Share
sharing
your
it.
screen.
See,
Share it
see.
right now.
I've shared it.
Quickly.
Can you see it?
Quick.
Hmm?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting.
So
Continue.
Android devices come from various manufacturers offering a wide range of hardware options and